we all have set up our, even if you have not subscribed for the 3COMMAS, but I do believe that we all have linked our 3COMMAS bots on our, Binance and all of that. So it's so you can link other things, other exchange with it. But for those of us who have set up or link our exchange with it, like on Binance, okay, sorry, like Binance, like of course you can link so many exchange with it. Sorry, yeah, okay. Ah, so guy, you want to go up now? I have not bought more. Why are you going up? Okay. This good. Mm. Ah, okay, let's leave this. So let me go back to 3COMMAS. So this is 3COMMAS, right? Basically, we have said the essence of 3COMMAS is going to help us over time more if you we set it down to make use of it. Then, of course, we said setting up your 3COMMAS from linking your Binance to both. You must log in on, of course, you must log into your Binance on web. If you're using phone, so that means you have to go to Chrome and log in Binance.com and not the app because you may not be able to see the API management. Of course, for the purpose of some of us who have not linked our API or were not there last week, or we still find it difficult to link because it's not difficult in any way. But I just paraphrase the kind of creating how you felt about it right now. So you're meant to log in and go to your profile and then place your cursor and go to API management and then you'll see create. Like I said, maybe I call it, okay, look at what I said last week and created that. Then when you click on create, all right, when you click on create, all right, it's going to ask you to send, of course, I have some of my verification, my phone number, my email, and all of that. So in your own case, it may ask you for your own email verification, or maybe it's only Google Authenticator you're having. Me, I have all the 3 steps, all right, enabled. And so once that is done, it send a code to your email, then you copy the code and paste it. It's then you can now see it like this. Okay, so you can see that my own is linked already, all right? I have my own linked to my 3COMMAS already. And so you're gonna have your API key and then secret key. Please ensure you copied, what's it called? Ensure you copy the key, paste it somewhere, the secret key, paste it somewhere first, because you can only see this one once. Once you pass it, it's over. You cannot copy again unless you delete it and create another one. So you can always create another one. Please ensure you check this is not big to enable. Just like what I was like trying to do here now. If I want to set up this, you will not enable this. All right, so you will not enable this. So assuming I want to set up API, so ask me for my authenticator and all of that. So so you will not enable withdrawal so that somebody who log into your 3COMMAS Because 3COMMAS does not have access to your phone. It's just an API remote connection and then enabling the bot to work on your trading, and all of that. Set up strategy to future your trade. So let's go. So now we're going to 3COMMAS. If you've copied it, then what am I supposed to do? You're meant to log into your 3COMMAS. I want to believe that everybody, as the link we sent last week, we all have signed up on 3COMMAS. If you have not, I just copy this, send you link here, right? Okay, so I just copy this link. So paste it on the chat. So if you were not there last week, you can use the link to sign up. Or if you have your friends, community, you can send to them. But over time too, if somebody is using it, you can see you can earn some referral bonus if the person subscribe to any of the package as be a paid member. Like this is my own subscription, um, So there are about 3 subscriptions. Okay, I'm on the the the, the highest subscription, which is about for a year. Pro going to cost me um, about I think I spent $600 or thereabouts. So it enables me to pay. So like my own subscription was expired. I renewed September. Okay, I renewed September. Um, so 2021 again. That's when I will renew. So it allows me to do all of these functions. Now, but when one don't have much money, one can do advanced package, which is more recommended instead of doing the big one. Okay, what's just added on the big one? I can have grid trade. So you cannot have grid trade on the other lesser packages. So you can have grid trade. Okay, you can do some other stuff, and so but the grid trade, there are other stuff added to it. So then if you that so if I'm paying a year, this package is about $294 because you're going to be giving a promo of 10%. I think those charges are just there. If not, it should be about 350 or 400. And so, but I think there's a percentage leverage given for when you use a link. And so when just like crypto.com, where you use my link, you get some money, I get some money, and all of that. So then you can do some of those trade. You can have unlimited both terminal, to trade. Now, if you don't do yearly, then you're going to pay more than $36. So if I said, okay, I don't have much money. Let me just do a month. So let me do a month, which is going to cost you about, let's say, $50. Okay. So if you are doing pro for a month, that's $99. And so $99 for a month if I'm doing a month. Okay. So that's the subscription. Now let's go. For some of you guys who have registered, connected your somebody says, okay, how do I connect my bot? Of course, your API. So you come to my exchange. By default, when you log in, it's going to put the interface, but if you cannot see, just click on my exchange. You can see my exchange here. By default, you see Binance is there. Is it only Binance? No, you can have FTX, Bybit, BitMEX. There are abilities of feature trading, Bitress, okay, Binance Dex, Binance Future, Jesse, Margin, Binance US, Bitfinex, right, Bitstamp, okay, Bybit Testnet, okay, such Ethereum wallet. I don't know how to do this. Xmo, FT US, Get.io, all right, Coinbase Pro, Hotbit, all right, Hobby, Kraken, KuCoin, OKs, Poloniex, and Yobit. So all these exchange can be connected on the terminal here, okay? So you can connect all the API of this. So you copy, you paste that your API, send, then the secret key, paste here, then give that your name, maybe Plan B Express Boat. I'm just give the name that you created there. So it doesn't matter, anything you can. So you click on connect and exchange. It will say saved, synchronize after a while. Then immediately it's going to show you this. You know that you're connected to this is whatever is here, that's what is in your Binance. Okay, go to my Binance now and go here. You're going to see that what you're seeing on the on the 3COMMAS dashboard is invariably what is in my Binance here. Okay. So you are interacting with your Binance. You can interact with all your exchange and then use the bot to trade. So if you come in here now, it's coming in. Okay, see, okay, it's now well, $1,421. So if you go back there now, it must have synchronize. Okay, let me click on dashboard. Okay, let me just so summatively. So now you can see some of the coins that are there. Okay, BTC, OMG. So these are the coins I was just trading on it using the boat, Luna. I've been trading Luna with the boat for a very long time. Yeah. So even NGN. So one thing is this. It has a smart trade, which we call it manual. So let's take a smart trade, which I did on the video. The smart trade, one of the first thing about the bot is that it allows me or you to set a trade, all right, and at the same time set um, um, stop loss. I can do a stop loss. Sometimes when you open your smart trade, everybody, if you open your smart trade, you won't see this. This is a kind of form of signal, but you don't always use it. But sometimes it gives you an idea, just like when you check your coin checkup. On your coin checkup, you can see if a coin is on, or even your tap trader, okay? If a coin is in overbought or is in a very strong buy and all of that. So if I click now, it's like suggesting that these are the coins that people are really more trading on now. They are doing buy, more buy, strong buy of BNB, XRM, SMR, BTC, SMR, USDT packs, all right, USDT deals, and then Tether, and then USDT trend down, USDT this. These are the pairs that it's like telling you that oh, more people are trading on now. So, but is it matter? Not that, so it may not be what you come for. So sometime when we bring some market, one of the first advantage of the smart trade is that it allows me to set my price, all right, and set my take profit and stop loss and all of that. So let's say let's go for let me use okay, I think I have some trade I set here on BTC. Yeah, say there's some, yeah, BTC. So I have some position on BTC. So you can see BTC USDT, I have some position. Okay, right. Okay, I have some position placed on BTC NGN. Okay, I have some position placed on BTC NGN, and I have some position placed on BTC. Okay, yeah, yeah. Okay. So now these are positions I opened. Now, how do I open position? Very simple. How do I open position? Very simple. So let's say I want to open a position for for um, so NGN pair. So you have to come here. So this is what I label my own trade one. Okay. Now, what am I going to, just like your normal trade, am I using BTC pair? Okay, if it's BTC pair, so I say BTC pair, BTC to word to, let me check that. Let me just check a coin that we can use, for example. Okay, experiment. Man, just get. Za. Right, okay. I just want to see a coin that is deep. Mm. A coin that's deep, a coin that's deep, a coin that's deep. Okay. Let's go. There we go. Okay. So let's say OGN. So let's try. Oh, no, no, no. I'm looking for a coin that's not too expensive. Okay, let me check this coin. So BTC pair. So which coin do I want to buy using BTC? So let me say pair, PARL. So you type the pairs of the coin. Now you can see the chart. Allow this trading view to be there, okay? So you can see, good, this is nice, this is nice, okay? So now look at this. Now I want to trade this coin. Now, what price is it now? Of course, just like some signals we said, they say buy at this price and set at this price and go. So look at this coin now. How many Satoshi is it? 191 Satoshi. Am I correct? So something like that. Then I come here. It's telling me this my Bitcoin can buy 648. Maybe that's not what I want to buy. I don't want to. Don't use market order. So use limit order. All right. Or sometimes I use conditional. Okay. Now 192. I just want market that will be executed very fast for us. So let me leave it at 192 Satoshi. Okay. Sometimes you may not necessarily place it at that price, just like your normal trade. So it may be at a lower price, lesser than what it is, maybe 189. But I want to execute immediately. Okay. There I go. I said, okay, 192, no problem. Because you take and bid and ask, right? So I'm going by limit order. So how many volume do I want to buy out of my money? Now I will explain this later. This trailing, I'm not going to use it. This trailing will not execute my order on time. So am I using 10% of my money or 25% of my money or 50% of my money? All right. So let's use 50% of that money. So you click 50%, or are you using 100%? So if you're using 100%, of course, there's no point. You just allow all of this. Okay. You just allow all of this. Okay. So now 50% is going to buy this at the prevailing rate I'm setting. So if I say 100%, what actually was showing the other time was 10%. So you can see 100% is 6,471. So let's say 50% of this, all right? Now, the next thing, that's the volume I want to buy. Now, the next thing is to set my take profit. Now, set my take profit by 10%. It's a 212. I just want to check something. Sometimes when I set market, I'll say buy at this rate and set price to sell at this rate and at this rate sometime, right? So let's say I say, okay, no problem. 10%. At 10%, this is the 212 is 10% of this price it is. I say, okay, yes, take profit for me at this, at the price. So you click split target. What is split target? Now I'm saying split target 50%. So you are putting a ladder sell or ladder bar, a ladder sell. So 50% to sell at this price. You click add. Okay. Now the remaining 50% should not sell at this price. Should probably sell at maybe 250. I just use an example. 250. So by 250 it's going to be 30.20%. I say, yeah, go ahead. So 50%. So that means my market's 50-50. So, right? 50%, 50%. So everything sell for me. Now that's good. Now I'm still going to do one thing. And what's that? I'm going to set a stop loss. So you have to set a stop loss. Okay, maybe at what price is it now? I say, okay, please, if this market drop by, let's say 6%, that's the drop to 180, or let's say 7%, we drop to 178, man, just sell off my thing. Now look at this trailing stop loss. You can put it on. Why? If I put this trailing stop loss, The more the market move up, it adjusts itself again to the prevailing price, okay? Adjust itself so that it will not be, when the market move up to like 200, the stop loss will set up more. We go up by 7%, it won't be 180 or 178, it may be 120, it may be oh no, it may be 184 or 185 depending. That's what you're using it for. What you are saying about trailing is that adjust when the market adjust when the market adjusts, all right, over and over again. Okay, now I'm done with this. This is called smart trade. Then what should I do, gentlemen and ladies? I click on create. So it's going to give you the analysis. Hey, guy, you are doing this, yes, at this place, please put this for me at this place, all right, no problem. Click confirm, all right. So I'll click confirm. So it's going to tell you smart trade successfully created. Oh, maybe market even came down because it's like it has bought for me immediately and set price for sale. Can you see? That means the market even came down. Can we check? Okay, because it's at the same price, 192 Satoshi, it has bought immediately and placed the price for sale. That's what you are seeing here. You can see this order. This order was placed. This order was placed by the system because I'm using this smart trade. So you can set as many bots as you want or smart trade as you want. You can see now, look at where my market is placed to take profit. The first take profit at 212, look at it here. The second take profit. So take profit 1, take profit 2. See it up here. So anytime the market get up here, it sell off for me. Then the next one is sell off for me. Then I can repeat it again. That is smart trade, and we call it manual trade actually. Now, let's go to using both. All right? So you can use both. You can use the setup of the smart trade helps you to trade, set your market, set the stop loss. The system just control it for you, and then sell off at bid to set your target that way. Now, this DCA boat is called dollar cost average. Now, if I want to set up a boat, now you can see I have some boats already set here with Link, Luna, BNB, OMG rather, OMG and Bitcoin NGN. All right. So I want to set up a boat, maybe set up. So here, what you are doing, you are creating a boat for either long or a short algorithm. Either long or a short algorithm. Okay? So how do I set a boat for long or short algorithm? Simple. Maybe a coin, for instance, like BTC, I do that to BTC. If you look at my order here, I just hope this guy will do. Okay. Look at, I can set a composite, but forget about those composite English now. But look at, what trade do I want to set? Long or short? Of course, you know what we say long. I expect that market I want to enter into to go up, or I expect it to go down. If I set on short and the market, the more it goes down, the more money I make. So it will be trading for me in between the line. So now let's say I want to long the same coin. So let's use the same coin. I just want to. So let's say I want to long the same coin. So long. So what's the name of the coin? So that's let's go here. Okay. Huh. So I want to long, what's it called? Peer. Okay. Peer BTC. All right. I want to long peer BTC. Peer BTC, I want to long it. Can you see? Long. Simple. All right. Simple boat. It's giving me suggestion, recommended pairs that people are longing now. It's telling me FLM, USDT, CRV. Yeah, which this CRVT is totally bottom. You can long it. It's a nice suggestion anyway. So sometimes when they give you suggestion, you check the market. Is it actually worth getting involved? So BZRX, Lend, Link, Ada, BNB, VET, Compound, Atom, all of them against USDT. Okay, so can I have is PL against is PL here with USDT? Let's check. PL USDT. Let's check. PL. Okay, there's PL USDT, or yeah, there's PL USDT. Let's check. Okay, okay. No, it can I can't just do on a given coin at all time. Okay, let's use link. Let's use Chainlink. So USDT Chainlink long. I want to long. So strategy is long. Okay, you're not telling me that at what size, how much do I want to be buying at each buy? So I may say just $10, or I may say $20 at each buy. All right, I say $20. All right, limit order. You can just leave this strategy, leave the boat the way it's set. If not, over time we'll learn how to add up to say, okay, the signals use trading view or all of this. I'm going to explain to us over time, but leave open new trade as soon as possible. You can open as much as possible, add more. So that's not what we're doing here now. So let's go. Now, at what percent do you want to be taking profit? At 1%? At 2%? So when you click that, it takes that trade, take that. So let me say at 2%. At every 2% of Chainlink against USDT is to take profit from it. Okay? You can set stop loss here too. Why not? If you want to set, you can set, but I don't normally set. Now, okay? Maximum trade count. Okay? Now, how many times do you want it to continue? I can say 20 times. Of course, you should know that if you are setting 20 times, it's going to look for more money, right? More money to have to be used. So let's say just 5 times. Okay? 5 times. So all of those other things, just leave them as they are. You don't need to bother yourself. So now telling me, okay, guys, our maximum amount for usage based on current rate is $71. So send available and all of that. So leave all the things. So what you set, you get to. I just want to give us basic. So all these have been set for me for using these. That's dollar cost averaging Chainlink. I have Chainlink existing already, and so but should I just use Chainlink? Okay, no problem. All right. So Chainlink, guy, no problem. Then over time we'll learn about this one, but we are not going to do that. This one is more risky. You have aggressive, moderate, and all of that. So, but just ensure you are on advance. Okay. There we go. 2% at every 2%, take profit from me. So it will be hitting as Chainlink come down, it buys again, it goes up, it sell when it hits 2% against it. So am I good to go? Yeah, fine. Just so click create both. Both successfully save. So we want to start. Yeah, start. Launch out. Now, this is it. Okay. Both is turned on. Okay. Now, do you know what it's going to be doing? Every time. Okay, so show me my boat now. Trade long boats. I open long boats, 2% at every volume of when it goes up and all of that. The good thing about this, guys, one thing is that I don't use this boat to trade irrelevant coin. So that if my boat buy more of the coin when the market crashed down very well, it buy more of the coin, and now set prices to sell, and the market didn't go up, I won't have any regret. I know I have more Chainlink. As the market go up, it sell and sell and sell. As the market come down, it buy and buy. So you don't buy shit coin so that when the boat bought more volume of the coin and the market has not gone up, the boat will not sell. So the other thing is that you can close the boat and do go to smart trade and do smart sell of your coin. So you can stop the boat, look at it, you can stop the boat, I can do anything and all of that. So I can edit it, I can adjust anything I want to adjust and all of that. So basically my boat will be running. Sorry. Sorry. So my boat will be running on its own. I wouldn't need to be there to see what's happening, and my market will be, doing the, you know, stuff for me and just getting me some profit. All right, you can see some profit it has run. Maybe I don't even have time. When I did use this one to do experiment the other time. All right, so the boat will do its own, and taking profit for me, and of course, it makes a lot of sense. Okay, it's not a lot of sense. So your smart trade continue. If I go to my Binance now, you're going to see the action of the boat. You're going to see the action of the boat. So sometimes you just see that the boat is just doing its own, at every bit, at very interval, it buys, it plays sales, it buy, it plays sales, and then so I wouldn't need to be there while it's doing all of those things. Can see now. So it has placed price, okay. It has placed, all right, link. So it has placed to buy link, all right. It has placed to buy link. Let's check the trade. All right, you can see it actually bought link, the first one, 2.2. It has bought 2.2 link because I'm at $20 and all of that. It has bought pair USDT, pair BTC, the smart trade I set. Okay, now it bought all of those ones when we set just now, and then had placed prices to sell link. It has placed price to sell link. All right. Now it set another price to buy link at $8.91. All right. So it bought, link. I can check that one down. So these guys, so you can see my BTC set some prices to still buy BTC with NGN, but those ones have not been bought. All right. Now, if you check the history too, you will see that it has bought some BTC, sold some, sold some TRN before. Let's go here. Sorry. Okay. TRN, NGN. Okay. BTC NGN. So I set 2,000 naira. So you buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell in that order, both with the smart trade. So the last one we may not need to discuss it because it's not for overtime. Of course, time is on our side already. So you trust, bought, sold, and all of that. Then the last one is actually grid trades, which I say I'm still going to teach us that too on buy box and all of that. So, but not everyone can use the grid boat because the grid boat is for the highest package, which is the one of $600 per year if you're doing. So the grid boat too have it buy and sell within a range. So it's more advanced anyway. It's more advanced in terms of it have more better functionality. All right, so you can see that I set some grid boat on for what for what was this guy? Okay, USDT UN, UNI, USDT this and all of that. So okay, so that's just the basic. So you can start from the smart trade and DCA, so that you dollar cost averaging, and then you can be making profit as the market go up, come down, market go up, come down. So the DCA boat, you can long and short. Like now, when market is going to be crashing down, I will still use the boat for short. So that as the BTC is scrolling down, it will be buying and selling and buying and selling and buying and selling, just like we said. If I'm using the DCA now, when market is crashing down, I will still use the boat. So by creating, instead of long algorithm, I will create a short algorithm. All right. At that time, I'll have to create a short algorithm. Look at it. I will say, no, don't go long, go short. So as the market is tumbling down, then my boat is buying and selling for me, buy and selling, buy and selling, buy and selling, buy and selling in that order. Right? Okay, so that's just the basics. So please, any question, anyone? I think so. You just come in. I've sent the link both. I've sent the link for both scenes. We did that last week, and when we started, I sent it here. Please pick it. Look at it on the chat box. Yeah. Any question? Please ask questions. So, and like I said on our group for our trade, please ensure your trade and I'm saying ensure your trade you face very well. Your coin trading you are doing should be the coin against stable coin, because we've said as we're approaching November, then market can be very funny. So don't fall victim. Ensure you are trading against stable coins so that you have enough money on ground when the market crash very well. We can buy a lot. All right? Yeah. So question, please. It means everybody gets what we said. So basically, um, whatever the market is doing should not be a more challenge. Okay, Captain, go ahead, ask your question. Unmute yourself and ask your question. Captain, can you unmute yourself and ask your question? We can't hear you. Well, or I can't hear you. Or maybe you type. So any other question, anyone? Because I can't hear Captain. Then additionally, so for all those DeFi, CeFi, SoFi things we're doing, please try as much as possible. Try as much as possible to always take profit and return money back to your base. That is major coin, so that you don't cut unaware. Okay, very important. Okay, okay. Maybe this is your question. We're going to enter into it on the group. Please, I can one get a recording of this training because at the beginning my network was. Well, I don't think so. I don't think so. Possible, fine. All right, guys. So let's go and take advantage of the market. Business will go well, but be very careful. Like I've told you guys, I've been trading with various mindset for a very long time. That should not be me. I know I'm very loud and clear. So my volume, unless you want me to be a market man. All right, guys. Have a nice time. Enjoy yourself. Go back to your market. Follow your business strictly, and then enjoy your day. You have a nice time. For those of us who are on Crypto Academy, see you tomorrow by 9 p.m.